Be prepared before you go. When you go hiking, it's always best to be prepared. As I tell my scouts, and have been telling them for many years, always be prepared. They have, for Cub Scouts, the 6 essentials. When they move up to Boy Scouts, they have more things they need to take. But for you, you need to also have essentials in your day pack when you go hiking. Not necessarily if it's a short hike, say a quarter of a mile or even a mile. 2 miles, that might be pushing it. But if you're going for a longer hike, like 5 miles or 10 or 15 or whatever, you really need to take some things just in case something happens. Now, I'm going to show you the things that I normally take in my day pack when I go hiking on longer trips. First things first, first aid kit. I keep it well stocked, especially if I am taking other people with me. So it is a well stocked first aid kit. Now yours does not have to be this well stocked, but you really do need to take a first aid kit. And I'm going to put that right here in my day pack in the main compartment. All right, another thing, you never know when the weather's going to change, so you might want to take either a raincoat or a poncho. Or if you don't want to spend a whole lot of money on a poncho, I bought this one for 10 cents from a yard sale, although you can buy them for about $1 or $2. So I'm going to put one of these in here, and I think I'm going to put the poncho in here. Then we'll put this one to the side. I carry a bandana because it can be used for first aid. It can be used for wiping the sweat off of your neck, cooling off. So I'm going to put that in here as well. I'm going to put this to the side. Something else, just in case you get caught overnight, just in case, I've got this emergency blanket here. I'm going to put down in here. Now, of course, you want to take a water bottle. That is a necessity for no matter whether it's a long hike or a short hike. I also take a microfiber towel. I also take a multi-tool. The reason for my multi-tool is so that I can pick up trash without having to touch the trash with my bare hands. And because I'm picking up trash, I also take some doggy-doo bags to put trash in. I'm going to put that in the brain of my day pack. Very important. Always take a whistle. That's one of the Cub Scouts' 6 essentials. And I keep it handy on the outside so I can get to it if I need it. Now, some of you are thinking, why take a knife? Well, I always do just in case, because you never know. Put it on the outside pocket. I take rope. You never know. On the outside pocket. A little extra wipe here for whatever. Outside pocket. Now, when you're hiking outside or anywhere, as far as that goes, whether it's hiking or backpacking or camping or whatever, it's always good to have a map of the area and a compass. Now, I've got 3 different types of compasses here. I've got the lensatic compass, I've got the base plate compass, and another simple compass here. But what good is a compass if you don't know how to use it? So make sure you understand the basics of reading a compass. And I think I'm going to take the lensatic compass and a map. I'm going to put it in the outside pocket. Now I'm going to put these to the side. Also, if you get caught at night, a flashlight or a headlamp, either one, it doesn't matter. I think I'm going to put both of these in there. Now, you want to take a snack of some sort because you know you're going to get hungry. Put it there. a cup just in case you need to get some water or something, but the water will need to be either filtered or boiled. That's why I also take matches. I put the matches in the brain of the day pack. I'll put the cup in the main pocket. And of course, if you want to eventually sit down and you don't want to sit down on rocks or sand or mud or dirt, carry a sit pad. I put that in my side pocket here. Also, for the personal hygiene, you want to carry toilet paper. However, in some places, you cannot bury toilet paper. You have to pack it out. So, what do? You could take a bidet, or without having to spend money on a bidet, you can make your own using just a dishwashing liquid bottle. It works almost as well. I'm going to put it here in the side pocket. So, I'm going to take toilet paper just in case. To clean up, we have a couple of choices here. We have either the soap in a bottle here, which is actually very concentrated, or I love these. These are soap sheets. It comes 52 a pack. You take one sheet out, put it in the palm of your hand, drip 2 or 3 drops on top of the soap sheet, and you would be surprised how many suds, how much in suds and bubbles and so on it makes, just that one soap sheet. So I'm going to actually put both of these in there, but I'm going to put it in here because if it gets wet, it's no good. By the way, sunscreen and insect repellent, just in case. If I can get this open, well, I'll get it later. So I put that in the brain of my pack. And, of course, a trowel to dig a cat hole. That also goes in the brain of my pack. But sometimes, if you know you're going to be using a privy, an outhouse, I'll sometimes take, excuse me, a seat cover or package of seat covers. A whole lot cleaner than some of those toilet seats that you come across. And I'll put that in there. It all fits nicely into my day pack. And I'm ready to go.